So Adam Quas here with MacTech. We're with one of our partners, AGEN Automation, who makes the AGEN Duo robotic component welding and assembly system. We've been partners with them for about a year since we met actually at last year's Steel Conference. But they make robotic component and assembly and welding systems that offer superior productivity, justification, and performance to the marketplace. Mustafa, how long have you guys been in business?
Since 2015 we're working on this project, and for the last 8 years we're trying to develop this machine, and just right before pandemic we finalized our R&D and it was ready to market. Because of the pandemic it was very hard to attend to exhibitions and etc. So what we thought is it's good to just find a couple fabricators around us and let them to bring us some real jobs.
Right.
And during the pandemic period, from 2019 till 2021, 2 years, we got real jobs on this machine.
On this machine.
Yeah, and it just gave us lots of experience and lots of feedbacks we have.
Excellent.
And since then, we start our marketing, and now we get one customer in Romania. We are building machine, and next month we're gonna assemble it in Romania. And we have one machine in our facility. So total 2 machines we have right now.
Excellent. So with our product line, we're at the capacity or capability of other manufacturers at about 60% of the market investment of their product. So quite a bit of savings and quite a bit of productivity with the product line. We have our first machine that's been in production at the manufacturer's facility for 2 years, and we're running off our first machine that we're going to deliver to our customer in Romania. So if you want to see some of the technology, you're welcome to visit AGEN Automation in Turkey. We'd love to have you, and thanks for joining us. Thank you.